Before you grab your next cup of coffee, try out these 3 powerful biohacks to boost your energy levels. Hi guys, Cherian Carpenter here, founder of Ytalife, and today I'm going to be walking you guys through 3 very powerful biohacks that you can do at any time during the day to boost your energy levels. You don't always have to be dependent on caffeine. For number 1, we have cold water face splash. Splashing ice cold water to your face can give you that feeling of waking up. It can also keep you focused and more alert throughout the day. Now, as a bonus, this thing also rushes a lot of blood into your face, so it's very good for your skin too. Now, if you want to take it a step further, try having a cold shower in the morning. This is very powerful. You know, there's a master antioxidant called glutathione in our bodies, and apparently some studies have shown that glutathione gets boosted when you have regular cold showers for short periods of time. So this is something we recommend at Ytalife, having cold showers. So try it out. The first few days is going to be a little bit challenging because, well, it's cold water directly to the skin. But after that, you'll see how beneficial it is and it'll become a habit. So try it out and let us know how it was. For number 2, we have coffee breathing. Now, coffee breathing is actually a variant from a yogic breathing technique, and it's quite powerful to increase the amount of oxygen in our bodies. This is a very simple yet effective kind of breathing technique, and here's how you do it.
This breathing involves rapidly inhaling and exhaling only through the nose. Inhale rapidly as you raise your arms up with clenched fist and exhale rapidly as you bring your arms down. Start the first round with 10 rapid breaths. Make sure the breath is coming from your stomach region or diaphragm. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Perform the second and third round with 20 and 30 rapid breaths respectively.
For number 3, we have sunlight. Get some sunshine, guys. You see, the moment we see sunlight, the moment our skin and our eyes get sunlight, there's something called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which gets sensed through our eyes. Now, when that becomes active, our brains also get more active and we start releasing more serotonin. And serotonin is your feel-good hormone. When you feel good, you'll feel more energetic and you'll be able to perform your daily tasks much better. As a bonus, you also get vitamin D synthesis. And trust me, a lot of us are deficient in vitamin D. So sunlight, the natural kind, is very important. Also try to get it between 6 and 8 a.m. in the morning if possible. If not, whenever you get the time, do get some sunlight. Although the afternoon sunlight can be pretty harsh on the skin, so beware of that. It's best to avoid that one and go for the early morning sunlight. So there you have it, 3 very easy yet powerful biohacks. And the best part of all of these 3 things is that it's all free. You have your cold water face splash or the cold showers, you have your coffee breathing, and of course you have sunlight. All of these things are there for free. All you gotta do is consistently do it. I hope this was informative to you guys. I hope you guys can share this with as many people as possible so that they can also be informed and aware. I will see you for the next video. Stay aware, stay healthy. That's how we roll at Ytalife.